Hello everyone, I'm Dixon Sylvan and I make videos on electronic projects, RoadTest reviews, DIY and more. If you're new here, consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the bell icon to get notified each time I post a new video.
In this video, we are going to see a little complex project made using the Particle Mesh Wi-Fi bundle and Grove SATA kit. This here is the simple project showcased in the previous video. It has a particle argon inside the case and it displays temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit, humidity and the distance using ultrasonic sensors connected through the Grove shield and connectors. For this project, I have added another Xenon which is connected to the Arduino Uno through the serial ports, which are then connected to another Xenon and Argon through mesh networks. These are then connected to the cloud through Argon. This Xenon sends instructions to this Xenon to turn the relay on through publish and subscribe method. As well, it sends data to the console. This Xenon also has an ultrasonic sensor which feeds data to the cloud. Let me turn this Xenon on. As soon as it is turned on, the relay turns on and ultrasonic data is sent to the cloud or console. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos.